Hello, everyone, and welcome to another episode of Hello Word. I'm Alex, your host, and I'm so glad you're here today. Our word of the day is afterwards, a B2 level adverb that means later or after a certain time. It's a really useful word that pops up often in everyday conversations, so let's dive in and explore how it works. First, let's define afterwards. It refers to something happening at a later time, usually following an event or action. For example, you might say, "We had dinner and went for a walk afterwards." It's a simple way to show the order in which things happen. Now, let's look at some synonyms for afterwards. You could use words like later, subsequently, or thereafter. For example, he studied for his exam and relaxed later, or the meeting was postponed. Subsequently, a new date was set. These all carry a similar sense of time progression. For antonyms, you might use before, earlier, or prior to. For example, she finished her homework before going out, or he arrived earlier than expected. These words shift the focus to something happening ahead of a specific moment. In everyday life, afterwards is perfect for recounting a sequence of events. Imagine telling a friend about your day. "I went shopping in the morning, and afterwards, I met a friend for coffee." It's a natural way to share what happened in the correct order. Here are a few more examples of afterwards in sentences. Let's finish this project, and we can celebrate afterwards. The presentation went smoothly, but afterwards, everyone had questions. They hosted a party, and afterwards, we all helped clean up. To sum up, afterwards is a handy adverb for talking about what comes next in time. It has synonyms like later and subsequently, and contrasts with antonyms like before and earlier. I hope this word feels a little more natural to you now. Thanks for listening to today's episode of Hello Word. If you enjoyed learning about afterwards, please subscribe to the podcast and leave us a review. Your support makes it easier for others to find the show and join our language learning community. Don't forget to create your own sentence using afterwards and share it as a comment. I can't wait to see what you come up with. Until next time, keep learning and have a great day.